Invisible is visibly better. WG is offering a full variety of invisible tagging systems. Invisible tagging systems look much better than any other antenna type. They fully integrate into the store furnishing, and they support the luxury and exclusive look of the store, providing the same high security level against shoplifting and using the same tags like regular pedestals, but without disturbing surveillance elements. In thousands of stores, WG SkyGuard and FloorGuard systems are installed in all market segments, such as supermarkets and food stores, and elegant boutiques in a high-profile segment. Invisible FloorGuard simply invites customers to enter your store. Security is there, but not visible. The basic concept of invisible systems is to integrate the components into the structure of the exit. FloorGuard Hybrid is the perfect example. A floor antenna and a hybrid loop antenna inside the door frame. It creates an extremely powerful but fully concealed system. So what has to be done to create such an invisible system? The decision must be done early. Drop the FloorGuard antenna and shed it by screed. It may be covered by marbles, tiles, wood or any other non-metal floor material. The antenna is connected to an adapter box and the system controller. Often both are hidden at the same position in the false ceiling. The maximum cable length from antenna to tuning box is 6 meters and from tuning box to controller is 15 meters. When the controller is mounted concealed, we recommend to put an external alarm above the exit. Such a floor antenna is a transceiver, transmitting the signal burst and receiving tag signals. Bear in mind that there is lots of construction steel in the floor. This can influence the transmitted magnetic field of the system. FloorGuard systems work best with WG Super Pencil, the most powerful EAS tags. Other tags or labels will maybe not provide satisfying performance. Experienced installers may use optional turbo antennas to improve detection. Our standard floor antenna is the solid 1.5 meter floor antenna. The Wi-Fi control box is extremely versatile. It can work with a variety of different antenna types. In example, the 2A. This is a floor antenna which is consisting of 3 pre-configured wire loops. No big hole is needed, just a few cuts in the floor, and the 1 centimeter thin wires can be laid in concrete or epoxy. The standard antenna is 150 centimeters. The 2A wire antenna comes in 3 sizes: 180, 300 and 360 centimeters to fit exits up to 4 meters. For all these antenna types we recommend to use our Super Pencil tags or the 4 and 3 alarm auto active tags of the new high sensitive version. But what if you want to use very small tags and even labels? For those applications, FloorGuard Hybrid is the best performing system solution in the market. It uses an additional hybrid loop antenna. The hybrid boosts the performance to an absolute new level. A loop cable runs all the way around the door and is connected with a twisted pair pigtail to the adapter box. The loop may be laid inside a plastic or a non-magnetic profile. It can be integrated into the wall, or if the frame around the door is made from non-magnetic material, such as aluminum or steel grade of EN 14301, it can even be inside this metal frame. Of course, wood or plastic is fine as well. A plastic pipe with a pulling wire makes sense for an easy installation. Regular floor antennas only transmit and receive from the bottom. The hybrid loop supports the floor antenna from all sides. FloorGuard Hybrid is the perfect solution for stores that need very small hard tags and labels on exit width of up to 2.5 meters. For smaller doors or when a FloorGuard antenna cannot be installed, SkyGuard 4 is a perfect solution. It's a transmitter loop with 4 turbo antennas. By changing the position of the turbo receivers, the system can be modified to special application. In example, a bit higher for sunglasses or lower for a shoe store. Like on all concealed systems, depending on the control box location, you may want to put an additional alarm sounder above the exit. With all that variety, you might want some help to decide which invisible system is the right one for your application. If you will use our best performing tags, Super Pencil or 4-alarm and 3-alarm high sensitivity tags, then choose FloorGuard or FloorGuard 2A, depending on your exit width. If you want to use our smallest hard tags or hard tags and labels based on resonator technology, such as Sensormatic SuperTag or DR and APX labels, then you should choose FloorGuard Hybrid or SkyGuard 4. For installations in difficult noise environment, you may add additional turbo antennas to any of our invisible systems. When the system controller is hidden, it's good to add an additional alarm sounder above the door. To create an invisible tagging system needs a little bit more attention to details, but the result is beautiful. Invisible is visibly better.